In this video, I'll show you how to maximize your Microsoft Rewards points. First, the most important thing is daily consistency. Open your browser and use Bing for your searches both on PC and mobile. For extra points, use the Microsoft Edge browser. You can even set Edge as your default browser so every search counts. Next, go to the Microsoft Rewards dashboard every day. Complete the daily sets, quizzes, and small tasks. These only take a few minutes but give steady points. Now, download and use the Bing mobile app. Search and read news inside the app to earn additional points. If you use Xbox, open the Xbox app and complete game quests. Playing games and finishing small challenges can give bonus points. Also, if you buy games or apps from the Microsoft Store, you earn points per dollar spent. Reaching Level 2 status increases your daily limits, so try to stay active. The key is simple. Search daily, complete tasks, and stay consistent. And that's it. That's how you maximize Microsoft Rewards points.